So there's no way you can improve your immune system with eating. There is a way that you can like help it and strengthen it. Okay, so because your immune function is your immune function, so we can't say, well, I get sick every day. It's maybe because I'm not eating oranges, for instance. Ne? But supporting your immune function, that is what we can do. So we have to eat like all the colors of the rainbow. So, and it's not Smarties and Astros. Ne? You see, I know you. So it's like, if you think of a cucumber and you think of tomatoes, two different colors, they have different micronutrients. Okay, and the micronutrients is almost like a spark plug in your car. Ne? Okay, everything is there, everything is working, everything you need for your immune function to work is there, but it's not working. Why not? Because the spark plug is not there. Ne? So we need selenium, we need magnesium, we need zinc, we need all of that just to set it in motion. Okay, so there's no like eat 3 oranges every day and you won't get sick. There's no thing like that.